Hey everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing from a company called Go Forth Goods. And here's the box. It's really big. And I'm going to give some first impressions. There's a couple items in here. And then in some time I'm going to follow up with some videos of each bag in its own video with some my opinion and a full review for you. So, let's jump in. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, I want to make sure I tell you this bag, or these bags, were sent to me from Go Forth Goods to review. They asked for me to review some of their women's bags to get an opinion from me, and I have tons of opinions about bags, so I was really excited about this collaboration, but I want to make sure you know they were sent to me in exchange for a review. But this will be all my opinions, 100% my own. They're not telling me what to say. Okay. Okay. This box has been sitting in my entryway for a while, and I've been needing to carve out some time to get it done. Today's the day. Okay. So we have some tissue paper. First thing I see is tons of straps. So let's see here. Nice full grain leather, adjustable, detachable strap. I'm sure I'll figure out which bag that goes to. A little bit thicker strap. You can see there's a difference. Difference in color, difference in depth. Go over here. And then the third straps go to a tote. So next layer. Ooh, this is what I see. Very nice. The color is coming in really nice today on the camera. So I'm going to pick up this one first. I have forgotten all the names of these bags, so I'm going to look them up here in a second. This is a nice medium-sized messenger, not too big. Ooh, we'll jump into that more. The next thing I'm pulling out is, oh, this is a nice size. Again, I forgot the name of this, and I'm going to look it up. It's a very rough unboxing, if you can't tell. So here it is for scale. It's not too big. Zipper. And then the next layer. Ooh, a tote. How pretty. Wow, this is nice. Oh, it's a good size. A good weight too. And nothing else is in the box. So that's all in front of me. I'm going to grab this tote again. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So there's a nice front pocket. Oh, I do remember requesting that he gave me an option of what kind of tote to review, and I asked for the one with the full zipper. Because currently, do I have any totes with zippers? Not full totes, like little messengers I have with zippers, but this one has a nice, oh wow. That zipper comes completely apart and then it opens the bag really nice. Let's pull that up so you can see. Key lanyard. We have a pocket here. Oh, and a pocket on the other side. Nice. So you can see there's two pockets. That is a great size, unlined on the inside. Oh, it smells. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That smell. I don't know why I love leather bags, but that smell is part of it. They have their logo right here. Really discreet, nice rivet attachments. This is, I need to try this one ASAP. This will be a nice one to play around with. Okay, so why don't we take a minute and I can look up what Go Forth sent me on my iPad, because this is silly that I'm not even telling you the names. Okay, here we go. So all the bags are in the color Saddle. Shocker that I'd love a cognac color. The Avery Tote in large deluxe with the zipper. That's what this is called. The Avery Tote large deluxe with a zipper. And that zipper, I mean, it's completely comes detached, like the flaps lay down. And so let me attempt to re-zip it. How quickly does that take? Oh, that was like no time. Let's see how smooth that was. It was a little rough. Smooth. Relatively smooth. Not bad. That does is it really makes the bag secure having that zipper. And I think totes generally just don't have closures because it's just so hard to bridge such a large gap, but I really like how they did that with those flaps. So Avery in Saddle color, the large deluxe with a zipper. Very cool. Excited to share with you my opinions on that in the coming weeks. So what else did they send? So this one I looked up. This is called the Sarah Crossbody. And I'm guessing the strap for this one is the smaller of the straps. So I'm going to attach that really quick. Thanks. Just a nice, I wouldn't say this is super small. When I follow up with you guys on these reviews, I think this can hold quite a bit. I always like to hold bags up to me to see like the proportions. It's not really small. Unlined and no pockets on the inside. I really like this. So you can use this also for like a makeup bag, like a dot bag. And I do have their website pulled up because I wanted to share the dimensions of this one. What I found is the Sarah Crossbody. It retails for $150, and the dimensions are 6 inches in height, 9 in width, and 3 in depth. And that depth, I always say it, really gives you the space that you need for a bag. If it's going to be small, at least have some good depth to it. And this is in the color Saddle, and it weighs 11 ounces. It comes in 3 colors, mocha, saddle, or black. And so this is the Saddle. Look at those highs and lows and the scratch, the pull up. I love that. And you can see their logo. I hope that's coming in. Right here. Wow. I'm excited to use this one. And the leather is very thick, malleable, but it doesn't feel floppy. It's not flimsy. It's so thick. I mean, you can kind of see the depth right there up in the zipper. It's so thick. Nice full grain leather. Awesome. The third bag they sent is the Kindle Crossbody. So that was that first bag I pulled out. Super simple. In the color Saddle. And we open it up. One full-length pocket, unlined, really nice, and a nice medium large size pocket right here. Can you see that? Look at those veins. Oh my word. Full grain leather always has all of its imperfections, and this bag totally shows you all these beautiful veins. Again, this is the color Saddle. Look at this. And this is very see if you can pick up these, it's kind of a pebble texture to it, and that's natural, that's not embossed. So here's that third strap, a nice length, I mean tons of room for adjustability. It came in like a darker color than the bag, and I really don't mind that. I feel like the Sarah Crossbody came in the same tone as the bag. Let's confirm my theory. Yeah, so this is a little more similar in color. It almost reads in the red family actually too. Interesting. So let's look up the Kindle. So I just looked up the Kindle, and this one retails for $225, and the dimensions are 8.5 in height, 11 in width, and 4 deep. It does not look like it's 4 deep just because it's very pancaked and smushed. But once filled out, this would be our depth, 4.5. So no closure on this one, but just a very simple flap. I really like this. This is so my style. Very simple. Looks almost beat up and worn in already. Again, it's malleable but not too thin and floppy. It's just nice, thick leather. This is really cool. I have not seen anything from this company before. I have been aware of them. I never bit the bullet and purchased anything. So this is such a cool opportunity. I wanted to make sure that we had the correct info on the Avery Tote. So I quickly looked on their website for that info, and we have the Avery leather tote with zipper. So that's what you're going to look for on the website. Large deluxe. It retails for $325, and this is in the color saddle. And you're going to notice that difference is the zipper, and then you're going to notice that front pocket. And you can add a crossbody strap for $40. You can add brass feet for $20, and you can get initials, 3 initials for free. I didn't do any of those options, but that's cool that they offer that. And the dimensions of this are, we have 12.5 by 15 wide by 6 inches in depth. This is a great tote. I'm so glad it has some security to it, because that really makes me feel like I want to travel with it more. So what you can expect from me in a couple weeks is a full review on each one of these bags after just trying them out, pros and cons. So subscribe so you can be notified when that video comes out. And thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys have experience with this company? What do you think? My first impressions are, this is amazing. This leather feels great, looks great, smells great. Thanks guys, I'll see ya.